In today's lesson, I will introduce the third factory method, newSingleThreadExecutor. This is a factory method. It is a static method. Let's briefly review the theory. It creates only a single thread. There is no queue limit. Because the queue is unbounded, there is no limit on submitted tasks. Tasks are executed sequentially. If too many tasks are submitted, meaning the workload exceeds system capacity, it can still lead to system failure. Next, we create 5 tasks. 5 tasks. Each task is submitted to this executor. This executor has only one thread, so it executes 5 tasks using only a single thread. Therefore, the output shows a single thread in sequence. After completion, we call shutdown. The use case is for sequential tasks and loops. Now let's run it. Here, it runs sequentially. Task 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only one thread is used. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.